Learn how you can forward emails from Outlook to Gmail account. So let's start the video process. In the Outlook dashboard, you need to click the setting gear icon in the top. Next, in this pop-up window, click Email tab on the left. And again, click the Rule tab on the right. Here, you can forward emails by creating rules. So first, click this Add New Rule button. First, I will show how to forward email from a particular sender in Outlook to Gmail account. In the first field, you can add a title for the rule. Next, in this field, select From, and in this field, type the sender's email account, whose emails you want to forward to Gmail account. And in this field, select Forward to. And here, enter the Gmail account where you want to forward the email to. And finally update and save the changes. Now the rule has been set, the email from a specific email account will be forwarded to the Gmail account. Next, I will show how to forward all emails in Outlook to Gmail account. Enter title in the first field, forward all emails to Gmail. And next, select condition in this field, apply to all emails. And in the below field, select Forward to. Finally, in this field, enter the Gmail account where you want to forward all emails from Outlook. And save the changes made here. And done, you've seen how to forward emails, individual sender email, and all the emails from Outlook to Gmail account. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if you found helpful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.